Hello students, welcome to math class. In this video we will see question number 6 of exercise 4.1. Consider the following figure of line MN. In this video you can see line MN, it is given. Say whether the following statements are true or false in the context of the given figure. A. Q, M, O and P are points on the line MN. Yes, here it is a line and all these points are on the given line. So, it is a true. B. M, O, N are points on a line segment MN. Yes, this is the line segment MN. So, line segment, it is a part of line and all these 3 points M, O and N on the line segment MN. Yes, it is a true. C. M and N are N points of line segment MN. Yes. So, here line segment is M, N. So, definitely this M and N will be the N points of this given line segment. So, it is a true. D. O and N are N points of line segment OP. If line segment is OP, then their N points will be O and P, not O and N. So, it is a false. E. M is one of the N points of line segment OQ. So, this is the line segment you have to consider OQ. And M, here it is in the middle of line segment OQ. So, it is not one of the end point of line segment OQ. So, E false. F, M is point on ray OP. Ray OP, here it is given ray OP and M is one of the end point? No. If ray OP is given, then O will be one of the end point of this given ray. This M will not come. So, that is also false. G. Ray OP is different from ray OP. Here I think OQ will come. You can see in the textbook OP is different from OQ. Yes, both are different and both are going in opposite direction. So, you can check answer. It is a true because both are different. Then H, OP is same as ray OM. OP is same as ray OM. So, here it is ray OP and here it is ray OM. No, both are different. You can check in the figure. Here it is OM and here it is OP. Both are in different direction. So, H, that is a false. I, ray OM is not opposite to OP. No, both are opposite to each other. Here it is one of the ray and here it is a second one. So, both are going in different direction. It means both are opposite. So, it is a false. J, O is not an initial point of NP and NM. Yes, NP and NM. Here it is a line segment NP and here it is NM. So, if line segment NM is there, then initial point of this line segment will be either N or M, and for line segment NP it will be either N or P but not O. So, that is a true. O is not, it means yes, it is not. So, it is a true. Now, let us understand what is a curve. Here some curves I have given. You can see. What is the meaning of curve? In general, curve means not a straight. That is a curve. Now there are two types of curve, open curve and closed. If I will draw this one, then that is an open curve. Why? Because this beginning point and end point are not same. Both are not meeting each other. And this circle, yes, that is a closed curve because end point and starting point both are same. Now this is another curve I have drawn. You can see here curve are both in this curve two lines are intersecting each other. In this curve two lines are intersecting each other. It means it is not a simple. When this is the circle, you can see any lines are not intersecting in this circle. It is a simple curve. And in any curve lines are intersecting each other, then it is not a simple curve. Position in a figure. So here you can see one figure is given. This darkest part, that you can see interior of the curve, and outside of it this white background, that is you can see exterior of the curve, and this is the boundary with blue color, that is a on the curve, that we can say boundary of the curve. Next, polygons. What is the meaning of polygon? Polygons, it is made up of line segments. The entire figure, entire curve will be made up of line segment. For example, triangle. Line segment we have studied before, it is a part of a line, okay. So you can see triangle, yes, three line segments are there, 1, 2 and 3. So it is a polygons. Square. Yes, here you can see 4 line segments are there, so it is a polygon. Circle, is it a polygon? It is a curve but not polygon, because here line segment is not used, that is why it is not a polygon. So that was the definition of polygon. What is a polygon? The curve, the closed curve that is made up of line segments. Next, sides, vertices and diagonals. You can see figure 4.14. Here one of the polygon is given, sides. How to give the name of the sides? Here it is written, sides are AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. 5 sides are there, you can count, and here are the names of the sides. Now what is a vertex? The meeting point of a pair of sides. Pair of sides, it means any two sides you can take, this is the one and here it is the second one. Both are meeting at point E. Two sides, this is the one of, and here it is the second one. Both are meeting at point E. So E, that is called vertex. Same way, EA and BA both are meeting at point A. So A is the vertex. So in this figure, how many vertex are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next, diagonals. Okay, when you are joining two opposite vertices, then that line is known as a diagonals. You can see vertex A and D, both are opposite to each other. What about this vertex E and A? Both are nearby, it means this E and A both are adjacent vertices. So that you can not join. Here it is already joined and it forms a side. So when you are joining two opposite vertex, then it forms diagonals. Here DA, DB, then CA, CE, BE. Okay. So these are the diagonals.